Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Solana. And congratulations, we got the breakout. All right, we got the breakout that we have been talking about for quite a while now. I mean, I started talking about it when we hit the price target at $75. So well, not that long ago. It's about a week and a half ago or so. But no, we got the bullish breakout. A little bit surprising to me. We talked about this yesterday, all right? So yesterday when I did the video, what we looked at and what we saw is that the open interest was going up quite well, right? So it was right here at around $920 million, I think. And then what I said is that, well, all right, I think the markets right now cannot really be trusted, but if this open interest will really continue going up, we will probably get that bullish breakout. And the open interest kept going up. We got the bullish breakout at around, well, in the afternoon. So that was still, the open interest still increased a ton more before the breakout. Then we got the breakout. And then technically, Solana was just unstoppable. and that's the story of Solana. We're now at a major resistance level, though. Right here at around $90, or at least $86 to $88. $90 is easy to say, so that's probably what I'll refer to it as. But now at least you know the real technical levels behind that, especially 88. 88 really is the strongest level here. But Solana right now, I mean, it's doing great. All right, the open interest had a bit of a drop yesterday evening, but since then it has been increasing again. It's right now at $1.1 billion. As most of you know, Solana as an ecosystem, and I always use Artemis for that. Still doing great. We're still making a new local highs on the total value locked. It's at $1.17 billion right now. So Solana is doing great. We see some other Solana tokens doing fairly well as well. With Jito, for example, hasn't really that much yet, but there's potential. So now the big question is, what's next for Solana? And trust me, that's quite a hard question, because even though Solana technically right now is super bullish. So I would be stupid if I would say that we're going to not stay bullish. But then again, if you look at the markets right now, like if you look at all of these funding rates across the map, they're super high. All right. So what that means is that it's very costly to hold long positions. So that means that long position holders, especially big ones, because they'll pay, they're more likely to close some positions. And if you close a long position, you sell the underlying asset, right? And just in general, Christmas is coming, so these moves are real, all right? If you look at Solana, for example, if you look at the volume right now, you'll see it's about $4.15 billion. That's crazy. That's real. That's real money, all right? The thing is I'm not sure if I fully trust it, all right? So we'll have to see that, of course, and we'll talk about how we can actually spot that. But that is how that is at least my thoughts on it right now, all right? So if you historically look at this level that we're entering right now with Solana, you'll see that the strongest level, I would say, really is around like $92 and $96. You could drag that all the way up to $100. All right, so 96 up to or 95 up to $100. I would say that's the strongest level historically. If you look at this, but in general, it's a weird level. There's a ton of different resistance levels playing their part. So it's always difficult to kind of gauge what's going to happen. I would say that Solana will spike up a bit more. I mean, $88 and $90, I think, is to be expected. But from there, I do expect some resistance. All right. And then the big question is can Solana hold levels it has just broken above as support? All right. So let's say we'll find resistance at $88 and $90. All right. One of the levels that we broke above is $80. You can also see that right here on the 1 hour time frame, $80 was respected. At least, I mean, there was a reaction to that level, all right, 80, 81. So I would say that's the local support level we have. So what's going to determine whether Solana can get up to those 3-digit numbers, so to 100, but let's first say 95 up to 100. In my eyes, depends on how it reacts to support, because I expect resistance from 90 and 88. If it breaks above that, then we're going up to 90, 95, and $100 easily. All right, just so you know. But I even though it's a possibility, it's realistic. It's not what I expect. I expect us to find resistance. And from there, if Solana is able to hold either $84 or 81/80 as support, then I do actually still expect a bullish breakout later and a continuation after a brief consolidation. And if it doesn't hold that, it's just going to fall back down into a consolidation and stay there for some time. I'll keep you updated on that. For now, it's super bullish. All right, so trade it with caution, of course, in these market circumstances. But those are my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out the premium group and the Signal group down in the description. There you can find it. See what it is. It's quite valuable, I would say. And there you can also find out what I'm trading in the Solana ecosystem, because I am. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.